Hello everyone, welcome to Cool Products. Today I would be unboxing Dotstone USB-C hub. This is a 7-in-1 USB hub which can be used with your Macbook Pro or any other device which has a USB Type-C port. Let's unbox this and see how it looks inside. They have provided an instruction manual like how you can use this, and here is the Type-C USB hub. You can see like it has 7 ports over here, 3 USB ports, a Type-C port, and this is a Type-C connector. There is also a HDMI slot over here, and a memory card slot, and a micro SD card slot. These are the 7 slots which are available with this USB-C hub. I recommend this product to everyone who own a MacBook Pro or other USB Type-C devices. This is very handy, lightweight and trendy in design. I recommend this product.